Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Run, then Edit Configurations. This gets you to the exact control panel. Once there, add a new application or JAR configuration and choose the module and SDK so IntelliJ knows which runtime to use. Make sure to set the main class and working directory, because these determine what runs and where files resolve. Also enter program arguments if your app needs them. They travel straight to main, string. This initial setup prevents class path and module mismatches later. Now you refine how the program runs. Set VM options such as XMX512M to limit heap or deconfig. Path to inject settings. You do this because the VM fine-tunes performance and feature flags affect behavior. Next, add environment variables directly. Use KEY equals value pairs since they influence libraries and authentication. Then configure before launch tasks like build or a Gradle task so the binary is fresh. Once done, save and test the config with the green run. You finish by running or debugging the saved configuration. Press the green run or the bug icon and observe console and run tool windows. For deeper inspection, set breakpoints and step because stepping reveals state and variable values. If you need variations, clone the configuration or use templates to keep consistent defaults. Finally, if it fails, inspect ClassPath, Module SDK, and the console stack trace immediately. These explain most errors, and often a wrong module or missing dependency is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.